Hello all, Shoestring here. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of my Kato KA500 Voyager emergency radio. And why are we doing the radio? Well, to me, prepping is not just about buying a bunch of cool stuff and promptly it goes into storage. Most of us already have too much stuff in the household we don't need. Buying anything you don't need is a total waste of money. So I think it's important to buy things that we actually do need, we can use now, and still have on hand in case there's some type of emergency. In this way, shoestring prep can sometimes be a lot like trying to help folks live off the grid. One of the resources that applies to disasters, of course, is a radio. So today I've purchased a new radio for my home. In this instance, I'm simply updating a radio we already had in the kitchen that my wife likes to listen to, and it's going bad. So I had to replace it. So I'm going to replace it with something I think will work as well as the one she had, and one we can use in case there is an emergency. It has different ways to charge it, which we're going to look at when we unbox it. And different independent power sources are important. This radio will work on batteries, a hand crank, solar panels. It is, of course, NOAA weather radio, all hazard, so it's approved by them. Right there, of course, you can see the box. Well, let's turn it around where you can see this. So it says, of course, it has AM, FM, and short wave. We'll take a look at that and see. It says it has the radio inside, a solar panel, and a cord. We're going to open all that up and see. Right now, we're just taking a look at the box. So what do we have here? AM, FM, short wave radio. Local weather alerts. Says it has a LED flashlight. A red SOS alert. Bright 5 LED adjustable. Adjustable tilt. Right, so I'll give you a moment just to read all them so I don't have to read them all to you. And you can go right past it if you want to. And not only the radio, but I also got a cord that doesn't come with it, by the way. This adapter we had to buy separately, so something you should know. So let's open up, see what we have. Opened up the little accessory box with the adapter cord right there. It says it's supposed to go with it. We don't know. We haven't tried it yet, but we'll see. We're still opening the box. We'll see what we got here. Little box opening. All right. USB cord. Looks like just a standard one will fit about anything, but we will see. What else we got in here? We have an instruction manual. Good. Those always come in handy. And let's see. Have a little instruction sheet. We have the, looks like a volume. Couple knobs there. Voyager. High-low tuning charging. When we do the testing of this, we'll check all this out. 4-way powered. There's your weather bands, your regular bands, and of course your power switch. On this side it says there's a crank. Let's take a look. Yes, there is. All right, and the crank. 4 powered, which will, of course, be your little solar panel right here. We do the testing. We'll see how that works, of course. It takes batteries. It will accept regular batteries right there, and it has its own internal battery. We'll do the testing for all that and see how that works. It looks fairly well made, and we will be doing the review next. See how it functions. This was just an opening and unboxing and to see what was in it. Shoestring out.